In the shimmering skies above coastal shores and inland wetlands of South and Southeast Asia, a graceful predator soars, the Bhraminy kite. With its striking chestnut plumage and contrasting white head and breast, it is a sight both regal and serene. Known locally by many names, the Bhraminy kite is more than just a bird of prey. In Indian culture, it is often seen as a symbol of divine presence, sometimes associated with Garuda, the sacred mount of Lord Vishnu. This raptor prefers habitats close to water, estuaries, rivers, and backwaters, where it glides effortlessly in search of food. Unlike the typical image of a hunter, the Bhraminy kite is also a scavenger. It feeds on dead fish, small mammals, and even waste, playing an important ecological role in cleaning its environment. Listen closely, and you may hear its high-pitched, mewing call, a signature sound of tropical skies. It's a reminder that this bird is not just an observer of life below, but a part of it, deeply woven into the fabric of the ecosystem. During breeding season, pairs perform aerial acrobatics, twisting, diving, and soaring in perfect harmony. Their large stick nests, built high in trees, cradle their young until they're ready to take on the skies. But like many species, the Bhraminy kite faces threats, from habitat loss to pollution. While it remains widespread and adaptable, its future depends on our ability to preserve the natural world it calls home. As it glides against the orange hues of a setting sun, the Bhraminy kite reminds us of freedom, balance, and the quiet strength of nature. Let us watch, let us listen, and above all, let us protect.